If you're in a natural surrounding, to be next to water, be next to a lake or a river, pond, something like that. Let's start with prayer as usual. As you listen to the prayer, let's just come to this moment, the here and now, giving full attention and presence to our body, breath, and the practice just now. Om. Stay connected to your breath, your inhale and exhale, watching how the breath is shifting the body, watching how the natural resting rhythm of your breath can quieten, can come together when I can observe it and observe it moving through the body. The thought moves here and there, that's fine. Just keep coming back to the breath and how it's moving through the body. Okay, bring your palms to your abdomen. Let's work with the exhalation first. Use any exhalation that you're using in your personal practice, either Ujjayi or a sound exhalation. So I'm going to chant Om. Just check if you're able to do that. Please do that with yourself. We are activating and lengthening the exhalation. Keep your shoulders and elbows relaxed, please, as you keep your palms on your abdomen, lower abdomen, just at the navel and below the navel. Inhale easy. Chanting for exhalation. Allow the exhale to release. Om. Allow the exhale to subside fully before you take the next inhalation. Breathe in easy. One last time like this. Breathe in easy. Allow the breath to subside fully. Then take a normal inhalation. Now watch the exhale, allow it to subside fully again. Your normal natural resting exhalation itself would have increased, lengthened a little bit. Take a couple of normal breaths like this, watching the normal exhalation and see how it has lengthened. Now today we'll take our attention to this entire area just above the hips, below the navel, the lower back and lower abdomen area, this whole area. Okay. So, and we are also concentrating on the element of water. This week we are looking at the elements in us and how is it that we can tune into the power of the bhutas in us. Today we will look at water. Water is Apa. So how is it that I can tune into and access the element of water? So it might also help to, if you're in a natural surrounding, to be next to water, be next to a lake or a river, pond, something like that, or keep some water with you in a bowl in front of you. Okay, so those things also will help to access and take the energy, feel the energy of the water. There again, this time just take it down, even if it's just at the navel, take it further down, really below the navel, okay, in that space below the navel, okay, that area. Keep the elbows and shoulders relaxed. And I want you to now chant the sound Va, Va, okay? So Va and Va, like we chant Ha or Ma, want you to chant Va 3 times. Keeping your attention over here, bringing in your bhavna the element of water. Water is fluidity and flow. Okay, so bring in this idea of fluidity and flowing, like water, how it goes in, it takes the shape of wherever it is, but it flows. Its very inherent quality is the fluidity, right? So keep that in your mind and this attention at the lower abdomen. Let's chant Va, okay? Inhale. Va. Bringing in the quality of the water, its flow and fluidity. Keep your attention at the entire band there, lower back as well. Feel the sensations there. Again, breathe in easy. Chanting Va for exhalation. Va. Allow the breath to subside fully. One more time, breathe in. Allow the breath to subside. See, now as you get in touch with the water and as you get in touch with this area, see what you feel like doing. Sometimes lying down, bringing the knees to chest in Apanasana, the child's pose, helps people. Okay? So just see what is the position that you want to take, or where is it that you want to keep your hands. When you get in touch with this area, what do you want to do? Get into that position now physically. Okay, if you feel like just remaining and just keeping your palms over here, that's perfectly fine also. Now this time I want you to use the sound vam, okay, va, ma, as you keep your attention over here. So 3 times the same way. So exhalation vam, okay, as you chant the vam, allow all the air to exhale. Breathe in easy. Vam. Keep your attention there at the lower abdomen area, below the navel and the lower back. Breathe in easy again. Vam. Breathe in easy again. Vam. Allow the breath to subside fully. Then you can relax your hands, keep them as you want to keep them. Stay with your natural resting rhythm now. Hold the bhavana of water, the element of water in you. And now as you breathe in and out, staying with that energy of water, just see what are the images, memories, ideas, thoughts that are coming up in you. Allow them to come up. What parts of the body are asking for attention? What are the sensations in the body? Where are the sensations in the body? Stay with your breath as these things come up. So as you breathe in and out consciously, stay with this idea of fluidity of water, the flow of water, how it takes the shape of wherever it flows, and how when it gathers momentum, it can be the most powerful force. Water is that element which can really allow us to feel that the drop of the wave and the ocean are all one and same. So you can know the power of something just by that one unit of it. So get in touch with this absolute fluidity of water and formlessness also of the water, which can help us get in touch with this oneness of essence, and hence to be able to move through everything easily. In fact, if we unnaturally dam the water, hold it in places, unnaturally, it can become stagnant and give rise to toxic stuff. Or it can break free in very violent ways. So a question also is, how do I allow water to flow in its natural rhythm, in its natural ways? So if we allow it to flow, all water always flows towards the ocean, always. So water can also give us a sense of where we need to flow, to be aligned to that natural flow of things. And today, as you go through the day, just be in touch with where are the places where you're flexible, where are the places where you're unable to flow, you're unable to move with that situation or event or person or a certain task or activity. How are you able to be fluid or not fluid? Just stay with that through the day as you work through the day. Thank you. Let's wrap up. Get in touch with gratitude.